Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Simply CM, and today is, what are we gonna do today, Martin?
We're gonna go out and have an ice cream.
Ice cream? Just ice cream? No, we're gonna actually have dinner, and yeah, we're gonna go to the place we've been like 2 weeks ago. Was it 2 weeks ago? Yeah, but anyway, it's like a buffet, guys, but it's like a Danish buffet where there will be a lot of meat. Actually, it's just 3 kinds of meat. There's beef, there's chicken, and the other one, I don't remember. Wheel, whatever. So then, ano siya, it's actually cheap. If you look at it, it's 169. Yeah, 169 crowns. There is a lot of salads. There's a lot of meat, and then there is dessert also. Pero yung dessert na free, yun yung soft ice, ganun. So if yung gusto mo yung mga special na extra, then magbabayad ka din ng extra. But then again, yeah, it's a bit of a drive, mga 1 hour ata. Pero we think it's worth it kasi if we're gonna, we wanna eat meat today, right?
That's what we want.
Yeah. So if we're gonna go eat in the restaurant without the buffet, it's gonna cost around 300 crowns each person, plus the drinks. So ano siya, medyo mahal. But if you're gonna go to that buffet where it's just 169 crowns, and then there's a lot of meat and blah blah blah, then it's cheaper, of course, plus the drinks. The drinks would be
expensive.
Yeah, I remember it to be, let's just say 50 crowns for a drink. So more or less it's like 220 each. So cheap pa rin siya kumpara sa if we're gonna go to not buffet restaurant. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. It is 5:37 in the afternoon. Late afternoon actually, and this is our first.
What the fuck am I doing?
Why? Okay, almost went to the wrong way. But anyway, it's like our first food for the day. Ganun. So we're gonna go there. We've reserved a table. What is going on? Okay.
Yeah, drove the wrong way.
Wrong way. So anyway, we've tried to reserve a table, pero wala pang confirmation, but we're driving anyway because nga it's gonna take an hour to drive. Pero pag hindi nila i-confirm at andun na kami, we're gonna choose another place to eat. Ganun. Yung weather today, it's actually windy, pero carry lang siya, hindi siya ganun ka ginaw-ginaw. I'll show you.
Can you miss what you never have known? And can you ache for a place that was never your home? No misgivings or shame, like a moth to the flame, to burn up or fizzle alone. Can you know who inhabits your skin? And can you trust that you won't blow away in the wind? Do you tether your hopes or let go of the ropes?
So this must be very, very deep, no? Because it's the port. That's amazing. I get so annoyed with the rib house. I'll never go there again. I'll never go there again, Martin.
Unless it's free.
Unless it's gratis. No, even if it's gratis, I don't think I want to go there. My face is already in the review. Okay. Now we're done eating. OMG. Oh, life. Okay guys, update. Hindi kami nakakain sa rib house na pupuntahan sana namin kasi nga nagpa-reserve kami online. Tapos hindi dumating yung confirmation email. We were thinking na maybe on the way there it will just arrive, but it did not. And then when we went there, the front guy, the waiter said, "Oh, if you didn't receive your confirmation email, you're not in the system." Pero yun nga, nakakainis kasi ang laki ng restaurant, guys. There's so much empty tables. And we're just two. I mean, you can just put us in. But anyway, then it's like, okay, sorry. And then so we drove away because it's like that was annoying. There's no customer service at all. But we reserved a table 6:30. Tapos,
Okay, if you gotta tell the story, you gotta tell the real
okay,
story.
you tell.
The story is I was saved like 1.5 hours before.
Okay, apparently Martin will tell the story.
I will tell the story as good as I can and as accurate as I possible.
Okay, and then tell.
I was served like 1.5 hours before almost. And it said if you don't get confirmation within an hour, check your spam, blah blah blah. And I'm able to book the table for 18:30, but I don't get the confirmation. So get a mail say, okay, you have to wait for the confirmation, and that's fair enough. We took a chance going there, taking like 55 minutes to go there, and before finding parking and all that, I think okay, that's fine. So we are there in good time and say, okay, we booked the table, but there is no I didn't get the confirmation mail, and they said, oh, then you don't get a space.
Which is a great deal.
And I said, okay, fair enough. We took a chance of going there. A little annoying because this is 1 hour and 20 minutes after we reserved the table. So I said, but it should come within an hour, and now it's 1 hour and 20 minutes. You sure there is nothing to do? Yeah, they just didn't reject it. He was sorry that the manager didn't reject it. So okay, fair enough. We know that could happen because it said you gotta wait for the confirmation. And then after finding another place to eat, and a little annoyed because there's a lot of empty tables, and he didn't even want to look in the system. He just said, oh, then there's no room. He could have been right also on that one, and there can also be coming people later. I doubt that will be that it will be full, but that's another story. The thing is that 8 minutes after we were supposed to be there, we are getting a mail. Your table is ready for you. 8 minutes after we should be there, after we've been to the restaurant, where he could have been asking his manager, okay, we got this one. Is a room? Is a no room? But we just got rejected, and that's the annoying part.
Correct.
Not that we drove a long way to get there. That's fair enough. My God. So that is what we took a chance and said, okay, if there's no room, we find something else, which we did. We find the street food, a little pearl in Holbeck, right? It was
okay. It was cozy.
It was okay. It was cozy and it was nice, and
it's like when you get out, it's already the harbor.
Yeah, it's a harbor.
Yeah, so there's water. It was nice. It was cozy.
And there's all the,
but still, I'm still annoyed with that rib house.
The annoying part is he doesn't check up on it. He doesn't check, hey, is this actually is there space or is there no space? Because apparently there was space. There was more than enough space because 8 minutes after we're supposed to be there, we have space, right? So
yeah, but
you could just have been saying, give me a second, I will check up on it and say, I'm sorry, there is no, or you could say, I'm sorry you didn't get the confirmation, but we find a seat for you. Or you could say, I've been checking up. Sorry, there is no seat for you. It's also fair enough.
Yeah. But we reserved 6:30 and the confirmation email arrived 6:38. 8 minutes late.
And we are there like 5 minutes
Before 6:30.
Yeah, 8 minutes before. Right.
Anyway, that's our day.
Yeah,
But at least we've also tried another eating place.
Yeah, that was nicer.
That was nice.
Fuck Whip House.
I had a, what did I had? I had a fried rice with beef fried rice. And what did you have, Martin?
Yeah, chili con carne.
Chili con carne.
And it is in a bowl,
Mexican.
everything mixed together. It was okay. Nothing fantastic, but it was,
It was okay. It was an
chili con
experience.
carne. It was a nice place.
Yes. So yun. Anyway, now we are driving. We're gonna go back home, or are we gonna go eat ice cream or what? But right now it's not so good because it's cold. It's starting to be cold. It is 7:51 na ng gabi. So yeah, let's see. But we're driving. Let's see what's gonna happen. Buyers. Ooh. Bumili kami ng ice cream, guys, but then we're inside the car. Dito na may kakainin. It's because it's too cold. Tingnan yung Kang Martin. Yumsy. Sarap, oy. Yumsy. One lang sa akin, 1 scoop. This, ano ba? Goof? Is this like included in the price or you have to pay extra?
This is included in this. But you don't get coffee.
What is goof exactly? Those things? So this cream included.
I spent so long just wondering. For years I was adrift, directionless and wayward, lost like a swallow on a cliff. But slowly I found purpose and my life became more clear. I found my destination, yeah, but now where do I go from here? 'Cause I'm already there, I'm already everywhere. I'm already there, I'm already everywhere. I've got a wife, 2 kids, and a picket fence. Everything was hazy, now it's making sense. Alright, I made it, so now what? I paid my dues in factories, I worked until I bled. The suffering made me stronger, so I pushed to get ahead. And now I'm perched above the factory floor, looking down at my friends below. In my comfy car I drive away, but there is nowhere left to go. 'Cause I'm already there, I'm already everywhere. I'm already there, I'm already everywhere. I've got a